The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. The beautiful and mysterious player from North Korea, Kim Kum Yong. Hello, welcome back. I'm EmRatThich. Who is this player? A beautiful player and also a mysterious player from North Korea. Let me tell you about her. Kim Kum Yong. The mysterious rise of Kim Kum Yong, North Korea's dark horse. In the 2024 Asian Championships, the spotlight shone brightly on a stunningly beautiful and enigmatic player, Kim Kum Yong from North Korea. This dark horse has made headlines by defeating some of the most formidable opponents in the sport, including Sun Ying-sha, Wang Yidi, and Miwa Harimoto. All within a single tournament. But who is this remarkable athlete? Despite her incredible achievements, a search for Kim in the WTT World Table Tennis Rankings yields no results. She is not listed, making her rise even more mysterious. With her captivating presence and extraordinary skills, Kim has captured the attention of table tennis fans and analysts alike. Kim Kum Yong's journey is not just about her looks or the enigma surrounding her. It's also about her impressive performance. At the Paris Olympics, she showcased her talent by clinching a silver medal, further solidifying her status as a player to watch. Her playing style is unique and advanced, characterized by an unconventional approach that keeps her opponents guessing. One of her standout features is her use of long pimple rubber on her backhand. This technique adds a layer of complexity to her game, making it both challenging and fascinating for spectators. The way she maneuvers with this rubber, coupled with her strategic gameplay, creates an electrifying atmosphere on the court. In the final of the Asian Championships, Kim faced off against Miwa Harimoto, a rising star from Japan. Displaying poise and determination, Kim emerged victorious with a score of 3-1, showcasing her ability to perform under pressure against top-tier competition. Kim Kum Yong is not just a player. She is a phenomenon. With her blend of beauty, mystery, and extraordinary talent, she is set to make waves in the world of table tennis. As she continues to rise, one can only wonder how far this remarkable athlete will go in her career. Keep an eye on Kim. She is certainly a name that will echo in the halls of table tennis history.
Қадірменді меймандарымызды жарыс жеңімпазы мен жүлдегерлермен естелік суретке түсуге шақырамыз. We invite our honored guests for the group photo with champion and medalists.
Read more about table tennis on my blog. PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.